Welcome to our journey into the world of banking and credit. In this video, we'll explore how banks operate, why credit matters, and how these financial systems impact our daily lives. Whether you're new to banking or looking to deepen your understanding, we'll break down complex concepts in easy-to-follow explanations. We'll start by defining what a bank is and the essential role it plays in the economy. From safeguarding your money to providing loans, banks are central to modern financial life. Let's dive in and discover how banking shapes our financial decisions. Bank is a financial institution that accepts deposits, offers loans, and provides a range of services to individuals and businesses. Banks are trusted places to store your money safely, and they help facilitate transactions like payments and transfers. They all play a crucial role in the economy by lending money to people and companies, which supports growth and innovation. Understanding the basics of what a bank does is the foundation for making smart financial choices. Next, we'll look at the different types of banks and their unique functions. Banks come in various forms, each serving different needs. Commercial banks are the most common, offering services to the general public and businesses. Investment banks focus on helping companies raise capital and manage investments. Central banks like the Federal Reserve oversee monetary policy and regulate the banking system. There are also credit unions, which are member-owned and often provide better rates. Understanding these types helps you choose the right bank for your need. Next, we'll explore how banks make money. Banks earn money primarily through lending. When you deposit money, banks use it to provide loans to others, charging interest on those loans. They also make money from fees for services like account maintenance, ATM usage, and wire transfers. Investment activities such as trading and asset management contribute to their profits. By balancing risk and reward, banks ensure their own stability while supporting economic growth. Next, we'll look at the importance of credit in banking. Credit is the ability to borrow money or access goods and services with the promise to pay later. It's a cornerstone of modern banking, enabling individuals and businesses to make purchases, invest, and manage cash flow. Credit is based on trust in your financial history, which banks evaluate before lending. Good credit opens doors to better rates and opportunities, while poor credit can limit your options. Next, we'll discuss how credit scores are determined. Credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness. It's calculated based on your payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, types of credit used, and new credit inquiries. Scores typically range from 300 to 850, with higher scores indicating better credit. Lenders use your score to decide whether to approve loans and what interest rates to offer. Maintaining a good credit score is essential for financial health. Next, we'll explore ways to build and improve your credit. Building good credit takes time and discipline. Start by paying bills on time, keeping credit card balances low, and avoiding unnecessary debt. Regularly check your credit report for errors and dispute any inaccuracies. Using a mix of credit types such as credit cards and installment loans can also help. Responsible credit use demonstrates reliability to lenders. Next, we'll look at the risks of bad credit and how to avoid them. Bad credit can have serious consequences. It may lead to higher interest rates, difficulty getting loans, and even trouble renting apartments or finding jobs. Missed payments, high debt levels, and bankruptcy all damage your credit score. Protecting your credit means staying vigilant and making smart financial choices. Next, we'll discuss how to repair damaged credit and regain financial stability. Repairing credit starts with identifying the problems. Review your credit report and address any errors. Pay off outstanding debts and negotiate payment plans if needed. Avoid new debt and focus on consistent, timely payments. Over time, your credit score can recover, opening up new financial opportunities. Next, we'll examine the role of loans in banking and credit. Loans are a major service provided by banks. They allow individuals and businesses to borrow money for various purposes, such as buying a home, starting a business, or covering emergencies. Banks assess your creditworthiness before approving loans, and the terms depend on your credit score and financial history. Understanding loan types and their requirements is key to making informed decisions. Next, we'll look at common loan types. There are several types of loans, each designed for specific needs. Personal loans can be used for almost anything, while mortgages are for buying homes. Auto loans help finance vehicles, and student loans support education. Business loans provide capital for companies. Each loan has unique terms, interest rates, and repayment schedules. Choosing the right loan depends on your goals and financial situation. Next, we'll discuss interest rates and how they affect borrowing. Interest rates are the cost of borrowing money. They vary depending on the loan type, your credit score, and market conditions. Lower rates mean cheaper borrowing, while higher rates increase costs. Banks set rates based on risk and economic factors. Understanding how interest rates work helps you compare loan offers and save money. Next, we'll explore the process of applying for a loan. Applying for a loan involves submitting personal and financial information to a bank. You'll need to provide proof of income, employment, and credit history. The bank reviews your application and decides whether to approve the loan. If approved, you'll receive the funds and agree to repayment terms. Preparing your documents and understanding requirements increases your chances of success. Next, we'll look at managing loan repayment. Paying loans on time is crucial for maintaining good credit. Set up automatic payments or reminders to avoid missed deadlines. If you struggle to make payments, contact your lender to discuss options like refinancing or payment plans. Consistent repayment builds trust with banks and improves your credit score. Next, we'll discuss credit cards and their role in banking. Credit cards are a popular banking product that allows you to borrow money up to a certain limit. They offer convenience and rewards but require responsible use. Paying your balance in full each month avoids interest charges and keeps your credit healthy. Misuse can lead to debt and lower credit scores. Understanding credit card terms and benefits helps you make informed choices. Next, we'll look at debit cards and their differences. Debit cards are linked directly to your bank account, allowing you to spend only what you have. They offer security and easy access to funds but don't build credit like credit cards. Debit cards are ideal for everyday purchases and budgeting. Understanding the differences between debit and credit cards helps you manage your finances wisely. Next, we'll discuss online banking and its advantages. Online banking has revolutionized how we manage money. It allows you to check balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and apply for loans from anywhere. Security features like encryption and two-factor authentication protect your information. Online banking saves time and offers convenience, making financial management easier. Next, we'll look at mobile banking and its growing popularity. Mobile banking puts financial control in your pocket. With apps, you can manage accounts, deposit checks, and receive alerts on your smartphone. Mobile banking is fast, secure, and user-friendly. It's especially useful for busy lifestyles, offering flexibility and instant access. As technology advances, mobile banking continues to expand its features. Next, we'll discuss the importance of financial literacy. Financial literacy means understanding how money works, including banking, credit, and budgeting. It empowers you to make informed decisions, avoid debt, and plan for the future. Learning about interest rates, loans, and credit scores is essential for financial health. Financial literacy is a lifelong skill that benefits everyone. Next, we'll explore budgeting and its role in managing money. Budgeting helps you track income and expenses, ensuring you live within your means. Start by listing all sources of income and fixed expenses, then allocate funds for savings and discretionary spending. Regularly reviewing your budget helps you stay on track and reach financial goals. Budgeting is a key tool for avoiding debt and building wealth. Next, we'll discuss savings accounts and their benefits. Savings accounts are designed to help you grow your money safely. They offer interest on deposits and easy access to funds. Savings accounts are ideal for emergency funds and short-term goals. Choosing the right account depends on interest rates, fees, and accessibility. Next, we'll look at checking accounts and their uses. Checking accounts are used for daily transactions such as paying bills and making purchases. They offer flexibility and quick access to funds, often with debit card and online banking features. Checking accounts usually don't earn much interest but are essential for managing everyday finances. Next, we'll discuss the importance of account security. Protecting your bank accounts is vital. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and monitor account activity regularly. Banks offer security features to prevent fraud and unauthorized access. Staying vigilant helps safeguard your money and personal information. Next, we'll look at insurance and its role in banking. Banks offer insurance products to protect your assets. Deposit insurance like FDIC coverage guarantees your money up to a certain limit if the bank fails. Other insurance options include credit protection and loan insurance. Understanding these products helps you make informed choices and reduce financial risk. Next, we'll discuss investment opportunities through banks. Banks offer investment products like certificates of deposit, mutual funds, and retirement accounts. These options help you grow wealth and plan for the future. Investment products vary in risk and return, so it's important to understand your goals and risk tolerance. Banks provide guidance and tools to help you make smart investment decisions. Next, we'll look at financial planning services. Financial planning services help you set goals, manage money, and prepare for life events. Banks offer advice on saving, investing, and retirement planning. Working with a financial planner can provide personalized strategies and peace of mind. Planning ahead ensures you're ready for emergencies and opportunities. Next, we'll discuss the role of banks in the economy. Banks are the backbone of the economy. They facilitate transactions, provide credit, and support growth. By lending money and managing deposits, banks help businesses expand and individuals achieve their goals. Central banks regulate the system to ensure stability and prevent crises. Understanding the economic role of banks highlights their importance in society. Next, we'll look at global banking trends. Banking is evolving worldwide. Digital banking, fintech innovations, and global regulations are changing how banks operate. Cross-border transactions and international finance are more accessible than ever. Staying informed about global trends helps you adapt and take advantage of new opportunities. Next, we'll discuss the future of banking and credit. Future of banking is digital, secure, and customer-focused. Advances in technology are making banking faster and more convenient. Artificial intelligence, blockchain, and mobile apps are transforming services. Banks are prioritizing security and personalization to meet customer needs. Staying ahead of these changes ensures you benefit from new tools and opportunities. Next, we'll summarize key takeaways from our journey. We've covered the essentials of banking and credit, from basic concepts to advanced trends. Understanding how banks operate, the importance of credit, and ways to manage your finances empowers you to make smart decisions. Stay informed, practice good financial habits, and take advantage of banking services to build a secure future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through banking and credit.